Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we focus on financial freedom, smart money habits, and personal growth. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial: how to manage your finances the moment your paycheck drops into your account. This is often the make or break moment for many people, but with the right strategy, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for a prosperous future. So, let's dive into 7 simple but powerful things you should do as soon as you get paid. Step 1. Track your cash flow. The first thing you want to do when your paycheck hits is get a clear picture of your finances. We tend to focus on the amount that lands in our bank account and forget about everything else that's already been allocated: bills, subscriptions, debt payments, etc. The key is to understand where your money is going. Set up a cash flow tracker and categorize your expenses. Break it down into essentials, rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials, subscriptions, dining out. This will help you get an accurate view of your financial situation. Knowing where your money is heading is step 1 to being in charge of it. Step 2. Pay yourself first. You've probably heard this phrase before, but it's a game changer. The pay yourself first rule is all about prioritizing your savings and investments before you spend on anything else. I recommend setting aside a portion of your paycheck, ideally 20% or more, for your savings or investment accounts before you pay bills or splurge on non-essentials. Think of it as a non-negotiable expense, just like paying rent. When you prioritize your future first, you're actively building wealth and ensuring financial security down the road. Step 3. Protect your future with insurance. One thing that many people overlook when they're managing their money is insurance. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or home insurance, having coverage in place can prevent financial disasters down the line. Take the time to review your insurance policies and make sure you have the right coverage for your needs. If you don't have any coverage, consider adding basic insurance to your financial plan. It might seem like an additional expense now, but it can save you from much bigger costs later. Step 4. Prioritize paying down debt. Debt is one of the biggest financial burdens many people carry. If you're carrying high-interest debt, like credit cards or personal loans, it can be draining your finances without you even realizing it. Focus on knocking out high-interest debt first. One effective strategy is the debt avalanche method, where you target the debts with the highest interest rates first. This will save you the most money in the long run. Once you've knocked out the high-interest stuff, you can move on to paying off the rest. Step 5. Build a buffer fund. One of the best ways to reduce financial stress is by having a buffer fund, essentially a small cushion of savings for the unexpected. Whether it's a car repair or a surprise medical bill, it's essential to have an emergency fund to protect yourself from those unplanned financial hiccups. Aim for at least 1 month's worth of expenses in this fund. You can increase that amount as you get more comfortable with your savings. The key is to keep this fund in a high-yield, easily accessible savings account. That way you're ready for anything without scrambling to make ends meet. Step 6. Take advantage of retirement accounts. Let's talk about securing your future. Retirement. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan, make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of it, especially if they match your contributions. This is literally free money. If you don't have access to a workplace plan, look into opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or any tax-advantaged account that fits your situation. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the easier it will be to build a comfortable nest egg. Step 7. Treat yourself. Guilt-free. Alright, now that you've handled the basics, it's time to reward yourself. Life's not just about saving and investing. You need to enjoy the journey too. But here's the trick. Set a budget for your fun spending and stick to it. Whether it's dining out, shopping, or taking a trip, Allocate a portion of your paycheck to enjoy yourself without feeling guilty. The key is balance. It's okay to treat yourself, but make sure it's within a well-defined budget so you're not sabotaging your financial goals in the process. And there you have it. 7 steps to take control of your paycheck and your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I release new content every week on all things personal finance, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.